welcome back. So in today's video we're gonna make some red velvet cookies. These are actually really good and nice and chewy on the inside, and they have no red dye. So I really hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and let's get into the recipe.
Alright, and these are all the ingredients you are going to need. Alright, let's start out with the dry ingredients first. So you're going to need 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of corn starch, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and give that a good mix. Alright, now it's time for the wet ingredients. You need half a block of cream cheese, 1 stick of unsalted butter, which is basically half a cup, half a stick of shortening, 2 egg yolks, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1/4 cup of sugar, and let that have a good mix. Right now will also be the time that you would apply the food coloring if you wanted to add food coloring. Alright, let's go ahead and add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and let that mix. I did it in little increments. That's preference, but it does blend a lot better if you do it in smaller increments. And just keep letting it blend until it becomes dough. If you wanted to add white chocolate chips or chocolate chips, right now would be the time. Alright, and our dough is ready to be refrigerated for 30 minutes. Preheat your oven at 325. Go ahead and line your baking sheet. You can use flour or powdered sugar for this part. I just prefer to use powdered sugar. Then I'm going to go ahead and roll out half of the dough and saving the rest for the next batch. But it's easier for me to use half a batch, to be honest, which is why I do it this way. And then go ahead and roll that out. I got these really cute cookie cutters at Target, and they were really cheap. I think it was like $3 or $5 for 3. And they're so cute. And these are going to bake in your oven for 10 minutes. And then you're done. Look how beautiful they are. Go ahead and add them to your drying rack. I didn't wait long enough for that first one. As you can see, it cracked. I personally am not decorating mine because I'm giving them to my daughter, and it's a little bit less sugar if I just, don't decorate them. But you could go ahead and decorate them. They look so cute decorated. I can't wait until I can actually decorate them with my daughter. I hope you guys enjoy. Happy holidays, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.